Date operation and manipulation is not easy. We cannot use simple arithmetic operation. 27 February plus 2 days is not 29 February. It is not 27 plus 2, but it is 1st March. Unless it is leap year, then the result will be 29 February. Some variables are taking place here, like number of days on each month, leap year or not. Likely we have datetime class in PHP to do add and subtract operations. Datetime accepts date string, usually in ISO format. To add date, we will use add functions. It accepts date interval object. Date interval class accepts duration string in the following formats. It always starts with the letter V and followed by integer and followed by period designator. It should be Y for year, M for months, D for days, W for weeks, H for hours, M again for minutes, and S for second. If the duration contains time elements, that portion is preceded by the letter T. Here is the example. P to D T to H, which means 2 days, 2 hours. In this example, I'm using datetime immutable instead of datetime class. It behaves the same as datetime, except new objects are returned when calling modification function like add, while the original date variable will be immutable. In this example, I'm using 27th of February and display the format in ISO format. Let's see the results. So as you could see here, it's become 1st of March instead of 29th of February, and it is adding 2 hours. Let's change this example into 2020, where it is leap year, and you will see the results. It's become 29th of February instead of 1st March. If you are adding 1 month, you will receive 27th of March. Similarly, how you adding 1 month in daily life, you add the month sections. To subtract date, we could use subs function. We subtract this date, 2 days and 2 hours. And the result will be 24th of February. It is not 20 pips because you subtract by 2 hours, which means 24th 10 p.m. That is how we add and subtract it in PHP. See you on the next video.